Let's head over to Lars. He's got a little project going on.
These bumpers, Backwoods bumpers, all these little recesses are machined in to allow clearance for factory rivets. You can get a couple hands in there and then mittens. So now I'm gonna take it off and then I'll have to deburr all the holes, get some black paint for that. Yeah, we're not going to Ace. Put it on the back plate there in the heater so it warms it up a little bit. Great.
So if this video continues and we're all covered in blackface, it's because it blew up. Just get it all punched through.
Yeah, this guy who had it before me kind of cheese whizzed his stuff a little bit. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at this. Oh. I wasn't going to take the other side off, but if I'm going to paint it, because I got the paint, it's come off.
Surgery?
Getting ready for some paint.
Rattle can 240. Well, ours were not blackface yet. It hasn't blown up.
Well, it's not gonna. I
Nah,
don't know why you'd think it would.
it's not gonna until it does. I mean, if we really wanted to be adventurous, we could just put it right on the top here. Is that the stuff I gave you?
This is the stuff that I bought and gave you.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Ran through that mineral spirits or the MEK.
Oh, the
Injected.
wipes.
Yeah, the wipes.
Oh, that stuff is awesome. Oh, it's fish iron.
It's also too black.
Yeah.
Hold on. What paint is that?
Gloss.
Nope, you had,
Is there some?
use this primer. That Rust-Oleum, that's a dark matte. Yeah, that's a little better. This way, dude. Grab that lip. Mm-hmm. Oh, this right there.
It's good. It's all covered up.
It's a little. It doesn't matter, you know.
It's fish iron.
Lars,
I didn't get it clean enough.
You don't get to perfection by cutting corners. And that's not like you.
Well, most of it's covered anyway, except for like right here.
All right.
I just wanted it a little bit
And
black.
you'll probably scrape half of it off putting the new bumper on. Deburring.
Deburring. Gotta do the back side after I'm done with the front side. Deburring the back side too. Wipe everything down, make it look all pretty, and then start riveting it together. The guy who did the tunnel cut kind of hacked that up.
Yeah, you did.
So I just wanted to blend it.
Real nice. We'll see what the Olsen twins think about that. If you got any paint on the outside of that, you could always just wipe her off. Think of it as a adhesive.
It's on there.
Extra strength. thing from 1950s?
Harbor Freight special rivet tool.
Is that a Harbor Freight rivet tool? I thought that was from your aircraft days.
No.
What'd you pay for that thing?
I don't know. Wasn't much. Well, I got this to do, and then we got to tear that one apart.
You want to get to that one tonight, huh?
Oh, well, at least want to get it torn apart.
At least get the skid out of it.
I got to have that drive shaft out by Monday.
That'll be pretty easy. There's not much to dropping that thing.
Come on.
The thing kicking your ass?
So, question is, it's the G-Wiz question more than anything. The back handle, they give me 4 really nice stainless button head Allen bolts for here and here. And there, right there, it's a rivet. Now, if you're gonna go bolt, bolt,
Yeah, why would you go bolt rivet?
rivet. I mean, the odds you need to take this thing off are nil, but still.
Well, let's see here. If per chance that were to break or bend, it's easy to replace that
Yeah.
instead of drilling out a rivet and then scratching something. So it was weird, that bolt, bolt, and then rivet. Beats me, but it is looking sharp, looking real sharp.
Mr. Gibbons.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, while forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate, and right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. I like it when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking like that. Find out my reaction. I like it when you look like that. Don't wanna watch a bugger with a white mouth. Just like it when you're looking like that. No sweets, no rush, can't fuck my attraction. Don't think twice, I'm here for the moment. No, I like him better. I got a church place somewhere and I'll make it last forever. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, why forgetting how to talk? Now I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate, and right after we're done, I've been giving you the worst of me. Give me a second, let me do it. I'm no vegan, I be. I'm off the leash. Go down on your knees. Bitch, I got PhD. I'm all that you need. Just give me a push. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Now I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate, and right after we're done, it's done.
What do you think?
I think it looks great. I do. I think this colorway of this sled is personally, I think, one of the coolest colors they made. I'm not saying that because I bought it. As soon as I saw it, I was like, dang! It's got glitters and gold. Glitters and gold? Yeah. I think I got her just about exactly where I wanted.
So that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Next on the old docket is this bad boy. New drivers, new skid, new tracks.
And probably a chaos kit. The poor man's chaos kit.
Poor man's chaos kit. Look at that turbo. She motors. Woo. The Olsen twins approve. Thanks for watching.
So does she.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Yes. More, please.
Perfect.